I ordered a few parts. My grills came in, and I got tires, and they are I believe 285 to 18. So we're gonna go switch them quick. So the car right now is just chilling outside because I'm working in that Civic, and basically I need to make other side. I need to make this fit in here. So we're gonna figure out how to do this. But now I'm gonna pull the car up front and take the front wheels off. I think I know what it is. There we go. That's gonna complete the look. Pretty nice quality. Oh, it looks like it's plastic, just it's just a sticker, but not too bad. Back home, got the tires switched, and the difference is actually pretty big. Like, it's much taller. So I'm gonna throw them on the car quick and see how they look. Well, they're smaller, that's for sure. I'm gonna take it for a quick spin now. This is actually a crazy difference. I can actually now go lock to lock, basically without rubbing anything. I raised the back a little bit, but yeah. If I go literally lock to lock, it rubs just slightly, just a little bit. That's crazy. What's up, guys? So the shop that I was talking about the earlier video, I'm here right now and I'm about to show you what I'm getting. It's pretty nice. I'm getting basically two shops in one building. They're just apart. I'll show you in a second. But basically what happened was my friend, he bought a property that has a massive shop on it. So he's basically giving me his old ones for a very, very good deal. And I'm about to show it to you. So all this crap is literally his. This truck, van, Prius, and there's two more cars over there. That's the truck I came on, and this is my GSV. And basically this big garage door is my shop, and that one right there is another shop. So let's walk into this one quick. He's still in the process of moving, so I have to basically help him because I'm a nice friend. But all this, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff here. Basically what he does, he parts cars out. So let me open the garage door. So yeah, it's not bad. It's like maybe 4-6 car garage length, and you know, 2 wide maybe, comfortably. And it has a storage upstairs all the way across the building. So there's a lot of stuff to do, but if I want to shop, I need to do it. So it looks like basically I know where everything goes already, and you know, upstairs shop. And if we come out through this door, I think it's this one. Nope, it's this one. But basically all this, which you can store up to 4 cars. Again, it's really wide, and it's nicely insulated. So, but basically I'm gonna wait until he cleans this one out. Maybe I'll help him here and there, but I'm getting the big one, you know, by the end of this week, hopefully. So yeah, the price for the shops are really good. It's like $340 a month, and you know, water and electricity is included in the price. So I can, you know, run heaters, run AC if I really want, so, and not get charged for that. So that's really good deal in this area, because there's literally nothing better. Shops like that, they would go around for like $600 to $700 to $800. So I'm super pumped. Right now I'm gonna go and start cleaning some of the stuff out. Alright, and we're gonna try to make this place nicer, you know, with YouTube magic. Basically everything got cleaned out. Lots of the garbage is loaded, nice and empty. He's gonna come pick up his transmission a little bit later, and all this miscellaneous crap, you know, he's gonna get him later. But basically he's gonna leave all the shelves, like I said, and this is the rest of his crap. But I'm super excited. Shop is gonna be ready to use by the end of this week. I have to bring my E46 here, Cadillac, and you know, hopefully start my swap really soon. Super excited for it. I'm taking this car to the shop. It's full of goodies. Let me just show you around. Super excited. The car looks amazing. I love it. So right now I'm gonna drive it to the shop. It's about, I'd say, 13 minutes away from my home. Car is super upset because I stole a bunch of parts from it to my gave them to my friend, like all O2 sensors and stuff. So, but anyway, it's gonna make it. And we made it. Now we're gonna go open up, take this car inside, take that car inside, and actually I need to sweep up first. But don't tell anybody. Anyway, I need to I need to set something up here because this is pretty tall. So I need to put some maybe blocks or something under there so I can drive up here. Alright guys, so both of the cars are in. I'll have more room when I take those shelvings out to the other shop. It's enough room to work on cars. You know, there's some room here. It's not the biggest thing ever, but like I said, it's pretty cheap. And it's bigger than my garage. And I can put a lift in here because it's you know, tall enough. And there's a plenty of storage upstairs. Basically, this is gonna be it for today. Super short video just to show you, you know, the shop, and finally my toys are here and I can start pulling the engine out of this one to put it into that one. And so it's gonna be exciting. But thanks for watching, and whoever is new, welcome. I'm finally broke 500 subs, so that's exciting. But stay tuned for more stuff on the E46, you know, swap and stuff, and hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.